Are you tired of spending hours creating citations and formatting bibliographies? Let me introduce you to MassiveRef, powered by BibCit.com, the ultimate AI tool that makes citing sources effortless and fast. Whether you're a student, researcher, or professional, MassiveRef will revolutionize the way you manage citations and references. Here's how it works. Simply head to bibcit.com and open MassiveRef. Then enter your source details. It could be a title, URL, ISBN, or DOI. With just one click, the AI automatically finds and fills in all the essential information for you. No more manual data entry, no more searching for missing details. MassiveRef supports a wide range of citation styles, including APA, MLA, Harvard, Chicago, Vancouver, IEEE, Escola, and many more. Whether you're citing a web page, a book, or a scholarly article, MassiveRef has you covered. It's designed to handle a variety of formats, making it the perfect tool for any academic or professional project. But that's not all. MassiveRef also creates complete bibliographies in seconds. Once you've entered your sources, it compiles everything into a perfectly formatted reference list. No stress, no errors, just professional grade results ready to use. Imagine this. You're working on a research paper or an important report. Instead of spending hours manually formatting citations, simply enter your sources into MassiveRef and let the AI do the heavy lifting. This means you can focus on your content while knowing your citations and references are accurate and polished. The best part? MassiveRef is completely free to use. Whether you're working on an assignment, preparing a thesis, or writing a professional report, MassiveRef ensures your citations and references are error-free and easy to create. Here's why MassiveRef, powered by BibCit.com, stands out. It's fast and intuitive, saving you hours of time. It supports multiple citation styles, so you're always prepared. It's free to use, making it accessible to everyone. So why wait? Visit bibcit.com today and try MassiveRef for yourself. Citing your sources and creating bibliographies has